Hello, welcome back to my TFSA. I am 25 and invested, and this week we are up 2%. On the yearly, we're up 28%, which is the same as SPY, and all time, I'm up 26%, $17,500. It has been a hell of a ride. So, we are just at an all-time high again. A rising tide lifts all boats. NVIDIA has crushed earnings, and I don't own any NVIDIA. However, it is nice to see. It is very cool to be a part of a rally such as this. It has been quite crazy. So yeah, damn, nice. uh, going down the list, we could see the usual. About 30% on Algonquin, minus 50% on Algonquin, 30% on Apple, minus 30 on BABA, up 30 on BlackRock, up and down. Brookfield, up 18%, pretty good. Bank of Nova Scotia almost back to completely flat, which is nice. Berkshire Hathaway B shares up 50%. Damn. Yeah, I keep saying that I'm going to buy it at 300. Holy crap. That is just getting further away by the second. And also, I'd like to say that I will be changing the way that I do this portfolio probably by the end of next month. Where I will be adding an HFSA to the TFSA. So tax-free savings account as well as first home savings account are going to be lumped together into one video. And then I will also be adding my Weiss portfolio to this. Now, I don't know how I'm going to do that yet, but I will be doing it. Maybe I'll just do it verbally or just keep a little stock image on how hers is performing, because she is, we're only going to be running XEQT on her side of the portfolio, because I believe that we're taking up fairly extensive amounts of risk in this portfolio because I'm managing it. So her portfolio on her side will be quite a lot less managed than this one, which, historically is good. In saying that, I will still be managing this portfolio, and I will likely not be adding to XEQT in this portfolio, but I will be bleeding it into everything else. So hers will be 100% XEQT. The first home savings account on my end will be XEQT and Berkshire Hathaway B shares, split up half-half. And then I will be running the tax-free savings account just as is. I will be picking stocks, and I will be trying my best to beat the market. Great. So, moving down. We know. Berkshire Hathaway, 50%. I keep saying I'll buy it at 300. That just keeps getting further away. Damn. God damn it. I'm still waiting on it. It's a hell of a ride. It's still it's expensive to me. Berkshire Hathaway B shares, Berkshire Hathaway in general is expensive to me, which is why I haven't bought. Cash, I'm still holding cash, $4,000. This is my reserve money. It's also just giving me dividends, so which is something that I should have done a while ago. It is what it is. It's it's there to hold value. Caterpillar, up 61%. Dollar General, I'm up 10%. Now, this is at, I guess, historically an all-time high for me. I haven't seen it up this high yet. 10% doesn't sound like a lot, but it used to be minus 30%, minus 40% once upon a time. Dollar General, this is actually when I started buying it, and I brought the average down about 10%, so it's nice to see. Dream Industrial, I'm up 7.5%. Very nice. Again, good stuff. I will continue to average into this. I think I said this last week. I should do the math and see how many shares I should be buying right now, because they did pay me dividends, so I should be putting them back in. Dollarama is almost up 100%. This is the most I've seen it, 105.69. This is the most I've seen Dollarama up. So 97.07, huge. It's not a lot of money, but it's still huge. Excuse me. Empire Co. still down 6%. It rubber bands. It is not a big position. Google, however, is a huge position, and I'm up 24%. It is $143. I believe that the highest is $150. I could be mistaken. We're going to take a look at that. 153. There you go. So 153 is the top. So we're sitting pretty close right now. Again, good to see. Google, they're not getting a lot of love right now, especially with the AI revolution. We'll see how things pan out. Home Depot, I'm up 21%. Very nice. Intel, it's Intel's just running back and forth where they are. I'm still up 27%. Meta, still my top performing stock. I'm up 156%. Nice. Very nice. Manulife Financial, I'm up 44.31%. Manulife has been on a run. I got a little, I got a message on my last video about Manulife, and I think they said they were thinking about buying it, and what would I do? I'm going to tell you my thought process on Manulife right now and why I bought when I did and when I plan on buying again, if I can. See this like line right here going right across? I believe around $24. That's like the crest line coming across. And I wanted to be under that. So I bought, around here. And then I bought at the bottom of some of these guys. I did buy it after this huge bottom, but I seen the average, and then I got below that average. So, I bought and was acquiring shares at a price of, where are you? $22.74. So under my $24, under $24 is when I was looking at buying it, and I did. And they rallied 45%. So it's been a huge year for Manulife. MO, my most recent stock that I bought, is up 2.40%. If it held up 2% for the year, then technically that would be a 12% gain because they pay 10% dividends. Huge. That's all I'm saying. Is pretty huge. Microsoft up 55%, NewTek down 56%. These guys are always the opposite of each other. And I think that's the lowest I've seen NewTek too. We're going to go into that. Is this the lowest I've seen NewTek? It is. Damn, maybe I should be looking at them. I'll have to take a look at why and what they're doing, and if they're doing something a little special. It'd be nice to see if they were buying back shares at this price. Then I would know, hey, maybe maybe they know something I don't. Nexus REITs down 16%. Royal Bank up 16%. SRU down 17%. VIG up 13%. VIG again, just another ETF I hold. I was kind of messing around with them. Actually, I owned VDY for a very long time. And I owned VDY, and then I switched that to VIG. And that's kind of where it stayed. So I got VIG for quite a while ago. And it is what it is. I like it. Walmart up 32%. They had a big week as well. I think I was just talking about how they haven't moved in a long time. And then they did one of those. Nice. So I think they had some news about buying a different company. Maybe like a streaming company. I don't know. I may have skipped that. XEQT up 12%. This is the most I've seen XEQT up, and this is the base of my portfolio. So it is important to understand that on the yearly, they're up 15.78%. And over the past 5 years, they're up 46%. So they're actually under the 10% per year, which might change. This is a very young portfolio. So they finally have a 5-year chart, which it didn't for a very long time that I've owned XEQT. And now that it is past that 5-year mark, we can start seeing how it's going to perform long term. So I'm excited to see how these globally diverse ETFs are going to perform over the long term, because that's what people are saying is the best statistical chance. But I mean, God, practical and the practical look at things, sometimes it doesn't always happen the same way that you planned it. Anyways, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time. And feel free to like and subscribe. Channel has been popping off. Have a good night. Bye now.